Good morning to all traders and welcome to another Market Insights video. I hope you all had a good and relaxed weekend because we have a very busy week ahead on the economic front. We expect Australian, Canadian and also the European interest rate decisions throughout the week. And on Friday, the monthly US non-farm payrolls reports, NFP, along with Canada's employment report. Today, I'm going to talk about the US index and the Dow Jones. This is not to be considered, of course, as investment advice. Before we look into my charts, note that a report from Wall Street Journal indicated a US-China trade deal is closer than most expected, which signals that risk-seeking flows could push equities higher and the US index lower from a fundamental standpoint. Now, of course, from a technical perspective, we might get some different sort of signals. We can clearly see that on the daily index chart, prices are moving in a triangle pattern, and from here we can expect the index to move all the way up to the top to sort of end this move, or we could see a rejection right at this level where prices could move lower from here, or we can even see some sort of move above this level near 97.70, where a false break is expected before prices start moving lower. Now down on the 4-hour chart, we see the same pattern and an intermediate sort of move to the downside with an impulse wave and a corrective move to the to 96.60, where the second corrective wave could have seen an end. Now from here, I wouldn't be surprised if prices, as I said before, move all the way up, okay? And I wouldn't be surprised either if we see some deeper correction to 96.80 or 97 psychological, which is a very strong barrier. From here, of course, we can expect prices to move all the way to the bottom trend line and even break lower. The 1-hour chart will give us a little bit more clues as to what we expect. We do indeed see bearish divergence here forming, okay? And now what we are expecting is the break below this level, okay? And of course, then it would be a break below this ascending trend line. But before prices get to this level, any move would be some sort of, would be cautious, okay? We expect prices also to move to the 96.73 because it's a magnet zone, considering it forms a double top and also is the extension, the golden extension as called, of the first wave. Now I want to quickly go on also on the Dow Jones charts. Here on the daily, we see an impulse upward wave, and from here we could be expecting prices to move with a corrective wave down to 24.52, where we could see the second wave, the second impulse wave starting. Okay, of course that would be the case if this level holds firm. Now, the extension is to the 61.8, golden level, and from here I wouldn't be surprised if we have an upside move to the 27 barrier before we receive further clues, as this level as well is also in confluence with the previous high. Down on the 4-hour chart, we see prices moving on a ascending channel, okay, and we see that there is some sort of attempt for prices to move higher, but it's only weak. So because prices at the moment are trading below the medium level of this channel, we could be expecting a break, okay, but that of course would be only the case if if bears push prices below this ascending trend line. From here, we expect, as I said before, a corrective move, and down here, this level, anything actually between above the 23.44, because it's the wave one, and wave 4 bottom 60 at 24.52. We expect this to be a magnet zone and act as some sort of the end of a cycle, of the bullish cycle, where further moves can be expected. Quickly on the 1 hour chart, we also see that prices have become a little bit more bearish after breaking below this recent high. This could be considered as a false break, and now we are in a range, okay, which indicates, which actually carries a little bit of a more bearish bias, because we can see a very big pin bar with bears rejecting the break above the top Bollinger Band. We'll have a second rejection over this level, and from here, if we see bears pushing lower, the first level that we want to see breaking is this, okay? Then the second one we want to see breaking is the previous support at 25.56. I want to thank you for watching our daily video, and I wish you have a great trading week ahead. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the markets, and don't forget to visit our blog where we cover our latest news, publish trading ideas, and provide all the necessary tools to serve you responsibly.